Hello everyone! Welcome to DIY Phonics. In this video, we are gonna see letter D and its phonics sound practice words. Letter D. Phonics sound of letter D is D. D. Now we'll see the vocabulary for D sound words. D. D. Dog. D. D. Duck. D. D. Dinosaur. D. D. Dance. D. D. Drum. D. D. Donut. D. D. Doctor. Thank you for watching. It's now your time to practice. Download the free worksheets and practice at home. Please subscribe to DIY Phonics for more videos. Happy learning!